Assalamualaikum students, welcome to the Bright Future Academy. Today we are going to discuss Mendel's law of independent assortment. In our previous lecture we have detailed discussed the Mendel's law of segregation, and if you want the complete video on the Mendel's law of segregation, link आपको description में मिल जाएगा, आप वहां से चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. So before studying the definition of Mendel's law of independent assortment, firstly we must have to understand the complete process and complete procedure of Mendel's law of independent assortment. Here's an important board short question, dihybrid cross. बोर्ड में ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इस तरह से आता है, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन मोनोहाइब्रिड एंड डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस को अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था. सो व्हाट इज डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस? डाई मीन्स टू एंड डाईहाइब्रिड a cross in which two contrasting traits is studied at a time is called dihybrid cross. Two contrasting traits means two opposing traits that Mendel proposed. Like Mendel proposed that there are two contrasting traits in the features of the pea plant such as seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod color, stem length, etc. So if we talk about seed shape, there are two contrasting traits such as round or wrinkled. Mendel performed experiments on two seed traits such as seed shape and seed color. There are two contrasting traits in seed shape such as round or wrinkle, and there are two contrasting traits in seed color such as green or yellow. The trait of round seeds controlled by allele capital R. The round seed characteristic is dominant and is represented by capital R, was dominant over wrinkled seed controlled by allele small r, because wrinkle seed characteristic is recessive and represented by small r. Similarly, yellow seed color controlled by capital Y, because yellow seed characteristic is dominant and is represented by capital Y, was dominant over green controlled by small y. Green characteristic is recessive and is represented by small y. Mendel crossed a true breeding plant that had round yellow seeds capital R capital Y with a true breeding plant having wrinkled green seeds small r small y. The first characteristic, round yellow seeds, both are dominant characteristics, and the second, wrinkled green seeds, both are recessive characteristics. All seeds in F1 generation were round yellow. As shown in this cross, the parental generation, which is denoted by P1 generation, has the characteristics of round yellow and wrinkled green seeds. Then in gamete formation, each gamete receives the one complete gene pair with the combination of characteristics such as capital R capital Y, both are dominant characteristics of round yellow, and small r small y, both are recessive traits wrinkled green. And in F1 generation, all seeds were round yellow due to the presence of capital R capital Y dominancy. When F1 seeds grew into plants, they were self-fertilized. Then again Mendel self-fertilized F1 plant to the F1 plant. This cross produced seeds with 4 phenotypes. There were 315 round yellow seeds, 108 round green seeds, 101 wrinkled yellow seeds, and 32 wrinkled green seeds. The first phenotype is round yellow seeds, number second round green seeds, number 3 wrinkled yellow seeds, and number 4 wrinkled green seeds. The ratio of these phenotypes was 9:3:3:1. When F1 self-fertilized to F1, F1 has the same characteristics like round yellow seeds, and in gamete formation, each gamete receives the 4 different gene pairs with the different combinations of characteristics. And in F2 generation, when produced, each gene pair from one gamete crossed with the each gene pair of the other gamete. As shown in this diagram, capital R capital Y crossed with capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, small r small y. Then again capital R small y crossed with the same gene pairs capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r small y, and small r small y. Then again small r capital Y crossed with the same gene pair capital R small y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, and small r small y. Then again small r small y crossed with these same 4 gene pairs, and as a result we got capital R capital Y capital Y. Both are dominant and they are round yellow seeds. Number second, capital R, capital Y, small I. Both are dominant and round and yellow. Number third, capital R, capital Y. Both are dominant, round yellow seeds. Number fourth, capital R, capital Y, small y. These are also dominant. और पूरे क्रॉस में इसी तरह से डिफरेंट फिनोटाइप्स आएंगे और डिफरेंट जीन पेयर्स दूसरे जीन पेयर्स के साथ क्रॉस करेंगे. दिस इज अ पुनेट स्क्वायर एंड इन विच वी गॉट द रेशियो 9:3:3:1. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि इसमें ये रेशियो कैसे आती है. जहां भी कैपिटल आर और कैपिटल वाई होगा, इट मीन्स दिस इज शोइंग द डोमिनेंसी ऑफ राउंड सीड शेप एंड येलो सीड color. The number 1, round yellow seeds. Number 2, round yellow seeds. Number 3, round yellow seeds. Number 4, round yellow seeds. Number 5, round yellow seeds. And number 6, round and green seeds. Round yellow seeds वाले पहले काउंट करेंगे. Number 5, round yellow seeds. Number 7, round yellow seeds. Number 9, 10, round yellow seeds. There is 9 phenotypes of round yellow seeds. Number 1, round green seeds. Number 2, round green seeds. And number 3, round green seeds. 3 phenotypes of round green seeds. Here's the small r, capital Y, wrinkled yellow seeds. Number 2, wrinkled yellow seeds. And number 3, wrinkled yellow seeds. 3 phenotypes of wrinkled yellow seeds and the 1 phenotype of wrinkled green seeds. So this was the Punnett square through which we got this ratio. This is an important board short question. What is Punnett square? Punnett square is a diagram that is used to predict an outcome of a particular cross or breeding experiments. जब भी हमने कोई पर्टिकुलर क्रॉस करवाना हो या ब्रीडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स परफॉर्म करने हो या इस तरह की रेशियो फाइंड करनी हो ब्रीडिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स में, तो हम पुनेट स्क्वायर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ नेम्ड आफ्टर R.C. Punnett, an English mathematician. The gametes of both parents having all possible genetic setups are determined. जैसा कि हमने क्रॉस में देखा, there are 4 different phenotypes and the ratio was 9:3:3:1. अब इसकी डेफिनेशन देखते हैं. What is law of independent assortment? Mendel explained that the two traits, seed shape and seed color, are not tied with each other. It means it's not necessary that seed शेप सीड कलर के साथ डोमिनेंट होगी. मतलब अगर सीड शेप डोमिनेंट है तो सीड कलर भी डोमिनेंट आएगा, या अगर सीड शेप रिसेसिव है तो सीड कलर भी रिसेसिव आएगा. बिकॉज गेमीट्स गेट सेपरेटेड, एलील्स गेट सेपरेटेड एंड अगेन फॉर्म अ जीन पेयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ gametes. It states as the alleles of a gene pair segregate, get separated and distributed to gametes independently from the alleles of other gene pairs. From parental generation, gene pairs get separated and in gamete formation each gamete receives against the same gene pair. So it's an important board long question. Hope you will understand it carefully. If you have any question about it, you can ask me in the comment section below. For more lectures, do subscribe, like and share the videos and give your feedback in the comment section below. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching.